Uh, Denver the cat killed a pigeon this morning and brought home what was his thinking? Cats do that all the time. They're bringing home the dinner for the family. That's what they're thinking.
Yeah.
Or a gift.
Helping out.
Helping out the family.
I don't know what this means.
How long is donation list?
I asked and there was no response, so I don't know.
I don't know. Can I have a 3-card reading?